hello and welcome to Jimmyism Total Nerdy Channel. How to find the AppData folder on Windows 10. It's very easy. Click the Windows icon in the bottom left corner or click the Windows key on your keyboard. Write in %appdata% and hit enter. Now you should have access to your AppData folder. You can also click on the navigation pane on AppData so you get out of roaming, and you can choose if it's roaming, local or local. Hope this video helps you. Do subscribe for future tech tutorials. This is your host, Jimmyism, signing out.